Okay, in the last lecture, we talk about the Gibbs-Duhem equation, and earlier to the Gibbs-Duhem equation, we have seen the variation of this that partial molar property with the temperature and the pressure. Okay, now we have to move further. The next part of this unit, and for this chapter is nothing but the fugacity and the activity. What is the fugacity and what is the activity we have to study? For this purpose, first of all, we should have to know this chemical potential. Chemical potential is given by the formula mu is equal to mu 0 plus RT ln P. And we know delta S by delta Ni at constant temperature and Nj is equal to nu that V bar 1 Vi bar, not a V1, Vi bar, that is the equation number 1. And if you consider the ideal gas, for the ideal gas, this gas law is given by the equation PV is equal to nRT. That means when you shift this PV by N is equal to RT, after rearranging, you will get a PV by N is equal to RT, and that V bar is equal to RT by P. See, for which term the V bar is there, PV by N is nothing but the V bar, that you have to remember. On substituting this V bar in equation 1, we get delta mu I is equal to RT dP by P. Then on integrating this equation number 3, we have to integrate this equation number 3, then you will get the equation mu is equal to RT ln P plus C dash, and mu is equal to mu 0 plus RT ln P. This value of the constant is the mu 0, and that's why mu is equal to mu 0 plus RT ln P, where at standard condition mu is equal to C dash is equal to mu 0. That I said, you take this after calculating this thing, you will get this C bar means the constant is nothing but a mu 0. Equation 5 is applicable for the ideal gases and invalid for the real gases. This is very much important. This case is very that applicable for the ideal gas and invalid for the real gas. To apply equation number 5 to the real gases, Lewis introduced the new concept of the fugacity. Fugacity represents the escaping tendency and has the same dimension with the pressure. That you have to remember. This come for the MCQ purpose. Fugacity represent the escaping tendency and it is similar to the pressures, has the same dimension with the pressure. Hence, then on substituting F instead of P in equation number 5, you will get the mu is equal to mu 0 RT ln F. Okay, this is the ln F. It is not there ln F, that you have to remember. In the fugacity, the definition, it is a substitute used for the P to explain the behavior of the real gases. It can be given as F is equal to P gamma and gamma is equal to F by P, where gamma is the fugacity coefficient, which is the dimensionless. And the fugacity is defined as, or say fugacity coefficient is defined as the ratio of the fugacity of the gas in the given state to the pressure of the gas in the same state. Okay, the fugacity depends upon the nature of the gas, pressure and the temperature. This fugacity basically depend upon these three factors: nature of the gas, pressure and the temperature. That you have to remember. It may come for the MCQ purpose of view. Then the activity. For an ideal solution, chemical potential of any component I is given by mu I is equal to mu I0 plus RT ln Ci, where Ci is the concentration of the ith constituent in the solution. But non-ideal solution, there is an electrostatic attraction, ionization reaction of the solid with solvent, etc. happens. These things are present there: electrostatic attraction, ionization reaction, that ionization reaction of the solid with the solvent, etc. happens. Hence, more exact results are obtained when the concentrations are replaced by the activity. And therefore, AI is the activity which is related with the concentration of the solution by the equation A is equal to gamma into C, where gamma is the activity coefficient. Earlier, gamma was the fugacity coefficient. Here, gamma is the activity coefficient, and it is given by A is equal to gamma into C, where gamma is activity coefficient A upon C. Definition is again the same. It is defined as the ratio of the activity and the concentration of the particular component in the solution. It is very much important as far as the MCQ is concerned, or the in the subjective type of the exam, that 5 marks question will be there. Explain the concept of the fugacity and the activity. Okay, like the question will be there in the exam. Now we have to talk about Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm. This particular reaction that Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm and Van 't Hoff reaction isochore, it may come for the MCQ if the multiple choice question exam is there. If the subjective, this derivation will come for the 5 marks, either Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm or say Van 't Hoff reaction isochore. For the Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm, it link the free energy change for the chemical reaction with the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Underline this thing: chemical reaction, a free energy change for the chemical reaction with equilibrium constant, whereas this Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm will relate effect of the temperature on the equilibrium constant. That you have to remember, that is a basic major difference between this Van 't Hoff reaction isotherm and Van 't Hoff reaction isochore. Consider the reversible reaction. Na plus Nba means n moles of the A component plus n mole of the B component gives you n mole of the L component plus n mole of the M component. Or you can write down small a, capital A plus B, the equilibrium sign is there. Small l, capital L plus small m, capital M. The free energies of the reactant and the product are given in terms of the chemical potential at constant temperature and pressure. Constant temperature, pressure, and the composition for by the following equation. G of the reactant is equal to mu A Na plus mu B Nb. Product mu L Nl plus Nm Nm. The free energy change for the reaction is given by delta G at constant Tp is equal to G product minus G reactant. You have to take the difference between this particular G product and G reactant. Okay. After putting all this value, delta G at Tp is equal to mu L Nl plus Nm Nm minus mu Na plus mu B Nb. Here that just a mistake is there. Mu M should be there. So instead of that mu M, that only the Nm is there. Just make the correction. Okay. Then the chemical potential of the substitute is given by the equation mu is equal to mu 0 plus RT ln A. Mu 0 is equal to standard chemical potential. A is the activity. After doing these things, you can substitute for this particular delta G at Tp is equal to. Now you can apply this for the each and every component. Means you can apply for this particular A, then the A that L M, and then the A, and that is a that your particular B. Here you can see mu. For this mu you have to substitute. Here mu is there. You can see this particular mu is there. We can substitute for the mu. Then we can substitute for this particular mu M. Then you can substitute for the mu A. Then you can substitute for the mu B. क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है? You have to substitute mu is equal to mu 0 plus RT ln A. After doing all these things, see delta G Tp is equal to in bracket mu 0 L plus RT ln AL NL plus mu 0 M plus RT ln M NM minus mu 0 A plus RT ln AA Na plus mu 0 B plus RT ln B NB suffix है वो. Okay. Then delta G Tp. Okay. Please remember up to this step. Remaining step tomorrow I will explain you in the better way on the laptop. Okay. We'll stop here. Thank you for attending the class. Remaining students have not joined. Please, I will note that.